Alright, so I just got these in the mail today. The Wink Hub 2, and then a GE fan control and a smart switch. I went with the Wink over the Samsung SmartThings hub because I like the interface on the Wink better. And I think it worked with one other thing I was looking at getting, and the Samsung did not. I got the GE switches because the GE ones were the only ones I could find that had a fan switch that you can actually control the speed from the app. Other ones just looked like they were on and off. So let's open up the hub and get it working. Nice packaging box here. Very thin, sleek design. Quick start guide. And the cables. Alright, pretty simple instructions. Plug it in, connect to the internet, and get the app. Then you can start adding things to your hub. I'm going to place this up here, right next to my router. Alright, now it's plugged in. Ethernet powers in. Alright, let's see if we can find it on the app. So, the Wink app. Add to Wink. Hubs. Hub 2 by Wink. Alright, I found the hub. Done. Add it to the Wink. We're adding the hub. Alright. You can change the name if you want, or just click done. Success. Okay, got it. How would you rate it? It's pretty easy, I thought. So. Alright, tap to reveal connected products. Got it. Alright. Next step will be powering or wiring in the switches, and then we'll be able to add them to the Wink. Okay, I got the GE smart switches installed. As you can see, they're the two with the blue LEDs at the bottom. We're going to test them out. All you have to do is hit the top up once for those lights, hit the bottom, and they're off. The other one is the fan dimmer. I'm not sure if you can dim it with the switch or if you just have to use the app. That's the fan. And that'll slow down in a minute. Okay, we're going to add another GE switch. There we go. In-wall smart switch, GE. I'm just going to hit it a couple times. There we go. Name it. These are our TV lights. And we're all done. Now we got lights and power. You can group them and then set up robots to do different things. Like when you come home, the lights will turn on and things like that. Yep, not too hard. Okay, after you get everything set up in Wink, you can go back to the Google Home. Up here, devices, settings, home control. And if you link your Wink account, you can then tell it to turn these items, or these devices, on and off, like so. Hey Google, turn on the TV lights.
Sure, turning on the TV lights.
There we go. All right. Hey Google, turn on the living room fan to 50%.
You got it. Setting the living room fan brightness to 50%.
How cool is that? Okay, Google. Turn off the TV lights.
Okay, turning the TV lights off.
Home automation at its finest.